Okay, Griffith, New South Wales poultry farm tanks. As you can see, they're leaking quite badly. This one over here is leaking. Water dripping off. Quite a bad crack. We're getting close. More cracks around this side. All to be repaired with the concrete crack injection. Phone 0427 427 183. Okay, the Griffith poultry farm, after the repairs, all sealed up. 40 odd lineal metres of crack done. Concrete crack injection all done with the water in the tank, no need to empty it. And if you have a look at that, all the cracks, very bad cracks these were, sealed up with a polyurethane crack injection. Phone 0427 427 183 for a quote. Thanks.